What's going on, everyone? This is Kunal. One group that can undergo a seamless adoption of cryptocurrency is gamers. And the reason for that, of course, is right here. Gamers in particular understand cryptocurrency because virtual money has been a part of gaming for the last 10 years, and the value of cryptocurrencies will become more evident as the gaming community continues to gain more active users. And this is an article on Forbes, and it describes how, as an example, in World of Warcraft, there was $100 million market for buying digital gold. That was the main currency used in World of Warcraft to buy in-game assets like dragons. However, it would take gamers a tremendous amount of time to acquire digital gold, so they would use real money instead to buy in-game assets. And what this set up was, of course, it created a situation where the richest, gamers would essentially be able to rig this market and rig the World of Warcraft environment to get ahead in the game. And cryptocurrency offers an opportunity to kind of democratize this, how you buy in-game assets and who is able to buy these in-game assets. So this Medium article over here explains ways cryptocurrency affects video games, and explains gamers of all types have something of an advantage over the rest of the world when it comes to understanding and adopting cryptocurrencies. This is because video game studios and publishers have been using their own digital currencies for years, which could be purchased by players using their country's chosen form of currency. The purchased in-game currency could then be used to buy in-game items, also known as virtual goods. This range from character skins to upgrades which help you level up more quickly. So, of course, everyone knows in the gaming sector knows about loot boxes, which is a system where players buy a virtual prize box without knowing what's in it and hoping for high value items. Regulators have cited this as closely resembling a form of gambling, and there is an ongoing debate about the legality of these boxes. So the social status of finishing games more quickly has been boosted by in-game currency that is a part of publishers' core business model, right? So the model ultimately becomes more profitable than selling a game at $60 with only 1 or 2 expansion packs. So you could sell kind of like a free massive multiplayer online game, or cheaper multiplayer online games. Take Fortnite, for example, and say, okay, you're gonna the developers and of Fortnite and the people who own the patent to the game, they're gonna make more money from selling you the skins and everything else than they may necessarily do from selling the game itself. That's what we're talking about when you're talking about the future of cryptocurrency in gaming. So the first project that's addressing this is Referium, and it's sitting here at 0.6 of a cent, 91 Satoshi, $14.4 million market cap, 2.3 billion circulating supply, 5 billion total circulating supply. And you can see that it's down, way down off its all-time high. And if you want to pick it up, you can pick it up on OKEX, Gate.io, and IDEX, and DDEX. So here's Referium in essence. So powered by a team of veteran game industry experts and blockchain specialists, Referium helps developers and publishers reward players and influencers for playing the games they love. So let's choose, who are we? Let's say we are a gamer, right? So win prizes for playing games, complete quests, pass checkpoints, and defeat your enemies to earn real-world rewards. Get paid to watch your favorite streamers. So you get paid Referium tokens for watching your streamers. So this kind of democratizes the whole Twitch, and YouTube streaming situation for gamers. Like, many gamers are on Twitch, right? And they're streaming, and they may make money, from something like a super chat. If you're on YouTube, you know what a super chat is, where certain people give you comments and they pay you for you to pay attention to those comments, and you get money and they get their comments responded to. What Referium is trying to do is democratizing that entire scenario where even the people who are watching the video can get paid in Referium tokens. And conversely, if you're a streamer, you boost your influence, make more money, and reward your followers. So you can reward certain followers and buy Referium tokens, make more money earn points from game developers while you stream, and boost your influence. So let's say you stream, a developer has created a game and you stream their game on Twitch. You can gain money from and support from that developer. So it's a very intertwined system, and it's a system that has very nice incentives. So studios, if you're a game studio, you control 100% of your budget, and you connect directly to influencers. No one else takes a cut, like ad managers. Again, taking some middlemen out of the process, something that cryptocurrency is notoriously going to be really good at. Then you can build your audience and reward them at scale. And if you're a crypto enthusiast, you can earn Referium tokens through this entire ecosystem. So that's Referium. It's a really nice way. It really lives up to its name in that it's very socially, it's a social kind of setup and a social kind of network here that's being built in the gaming industry. And it's a really nice idea. The next project is Enjin Coin. So Enjin Coin sitting at 7 cents, $53 million market cap, 756 million circulating supply, 1 billion total supply. It's again off its all-time high, and if you want to pick it up, you can pick it up on Binance along with crypto's liquid OKX. So what is Enjin Coin? So build blockchain-based games. Empower your user base with true ownership, prevent fraud, increase your revenue, and explore the blockchain gaming frontier. So when we're talking about, blockchain-based game, you're talking about blockchain as an application service, right? As blockchain as a platform for you to build your games on top of it. So Enjin has a really neat way. Now, why? Many people might ask, hey, why Enjin? Well, look at what happened with Ethereum and CryptoKitties. One game on top of Ethereum, one gaming application on top of Ethereum brought the Ethereum network to a slow grind halt. And again, this is not a knock on Ethereum. This is not saying anything bad about Ethereum or spreading FUD. This is just a fact that it could be possible, it could be argued that gaming applications on the blockchain need their own blockchain. And that's where coins like Enjin come into play. So build blockchain-based games. So let's get started. Let's actually follow this, right? Let's get started. Let's see what they tell us. So here, let's partner up. And this is for let us fund your game economy, get a supply of Enjin, and a marketing push for your game. So let's say you're a game developer. So what Enjin is going to do is it's providing you the platform, and it's giving you a supply of Enjin Coin and a marketing push for your game. Sign up and we'll let you know once the partnership program starts. So it really is about partnering with Enjin Coin. So that's a future adoption. Any game developer can partner with Enjin Coin to build their games. It's universal in that sense within the gaming industry. So explore the blockchain frontier. Our modular platform enables you to explore endless use cases for blockchain technology. Integrate blockchain in a matter of hours without writing a single line of code, or go all in and create custom tokens and contracts from scratch. So when they argue, without writing a single line of code, when you're talking about reducing the scope of work or the time frame of work for somebody, that's always going to be very, very enticing. And crafted for the gaming industry. So video games, level up your published titles with blockchain technology, or build everything from groundbreaking massive multiplayer onlines and MOBAs to full-blown gaming multiverses. Esports. So this is going to be esports is going to be part 2 of my gaming series, where I'm going to discuss more into detail on how esports is going to be impacted by gaming. So when we're talking, this video is more about the developer process and the fan process and the streaming process and just the developer to end user process for gamers and the post buying process. But esports is something completely different and unique in that, and we'll get into that next time. So D-app games, right, and rewards. So that's Enjin Coin for you guys. The next project I'm going to talk about is Wax, sitting at basically 12 cents, $76 million market cap, 638 million circulating supply, 1.85 billion max total supply. And Wax stands for Worldwide Asset Exchange. So we've discussed gaming skins and things of that nature in this video. So gamers all across the world, there's going to need to be some sort of a standardization of this, right? You can trade gaming skins across all of these games across the world. So Wax provides the standardization for a lot of this and provides really the platform for this. So worldwide asset exchange, safe, secured, fast, global decentralized marketplace for virtual assets. And it's really, so Wax is a decentralized platform that enables anyone to operate a fully functioning virtual marketplace with zero investment in security, infrastructure, or payment processing. Developed by the founders of OP Skins, the world leading marketplace for online video game assets, Wax is designed to serve the 400 plus million online players who already collect, buy, and sell in-game items. Harnessing the power of blockchain technology, Wax tokens are utility tokens that allow virtual goods, and not just for use in video games, to easily be tokenized in exchange for cryptocurrency. So they're taking it a step further. It's not just like, okay, person A in a video game is going to send a skin for another skin that person B has, so it's an exchange. It's also, you can sell that skin for cryptocurrency. So it's providing that, you know, that market, that market and that, you know, price discovery for items beyond just in-game. So that, and it is able to, you know, you can take an item and sell it anywhere around the world on this platform, because of course it's virtual. So that's Wax, an incredible idea. If you want to pick it up, you can pick it up on BitThumb, Bittrex, Huobi. It's pretty much everywhere except Binance. Maybe Binance will list it hopefully, but it's basically everywhere else. KuCoin, Buybox, Bittrex, BitThumb, Huobi, HitBTC. So that's Wax for you guys. The next one is Game.com, sitting at 12.7 cents, $70.8 million market cap, 620 million circulating supply, 2 billion max supply. And if you want to pick it up, you can pick it up on Bitforex, Gate.io, and Huobi Heydax, which is a decentralized exchange for Huobi, and Gate.io. So what is Game.com? Again, the idea is creating a global gaming platform for blockchain digital currency. So it is a little bit of a competitor to Enjin, but what it does allow you to do is a blockchain gaming platform. So throughout the creation and integration of game content, we provide a ready-to-go entertainment services and application environment to facilitate in the rapid expansion and development of blockchain technology. So Game.com, global blockchain game developer platform. So as we described, similar to Enjin, it is trying to develop, that as well as virtual game blockchain asset trading platform. So I mean, we have to compare here because these are competitors. It's kind of like taking a little bit of Enjin Coin and a little bit of Wax token, and trying to combine it all. Now, can it do that? Maybe. It's yet to be seen, but it's a very interesting idea. And the next one I'm going to talk about is GameCredits. Now, GameCredits sitting at 88 cents, $57 million market cap, 64 million total supply, 84 million max supply. You can pick it up on CoinEgg, Poloniex, Bittrex, Cryptopia, YoBit, Upbit, HitBTC, Livecoin. So what is GameCredits? The currency of G Nation. GameCredits is a universal currency and virtual wallet for 2.6 billion gamers worldwide. So it has an interesting uniqueness to it. It's a virtual wallet. So, and it's a universal currency. So about GameCredits. So 1 in 3 humans play video games. It's a $100 billion industry. The GameCredits currency and virtual wallet lets gamers and developers buy and sell games and in-game items faster, safer, and more privately than with credit cards. So they make that case there. So game over for cheaters because 50 to 99% of all virtual good purchases are fraudulent. GameCredits are based on blockchain. Transactions are permanent. 0% chance of fraud. So that's an interesting use case there. It also lets you be invisible by conducting these transactions anonymously, and transaction speeds are God mode. So benefits are, as I remove this, and there's benefits for developers and gamers. As we're seeing this theme here, there's many different communities within the gaming community, and there are benefits for each one. So receive payments faster if you're a developer, higher deposit limits, blockchain security, low commission fees. And for gamers, there's benefits as well: better gaming experience, higher deposit limits, purchase power, and send money anonymous, right? So the lower commission fees is really an important advantage because Google Play and Apple take a 30% cut for any game that you want to put on their platform, versus their mobile platform and GameCredits store lets you keep 90%. So 70% versus 90%. Pretty good benefits. And also, of course, their universal G wallet, which you will be able to use to get your hands on any either game or any game in-game virtual item across the world, anywhere in the world. So that's really an interesting idea with the universal G wallet. So that's GameCredits for you guys. In the next video, which is part 2, I'll go over more in detail into esports and how that figures in with blockchain and some of the projects that are working on esports on the blockchain. So here's Play2Live. This is the final project that I'm going to discuss. This one is not out on the market just yet. So we're still really early in this project, but it's enter new era of live streaming. So Play2Live, or Play2Live, however you want to describe it, is a blockchain-based streaming platform for gamers and esports fans. We are a trailblazer in merging revolutionary blockchain technology and streaming services. So it's a decentralized streaming platform for games. So what does it want to do? So a full-blown ecosystem for esports and gaming industries with a focus on content generation and practical needs of streamers, providing unique interactive opportunities for all participants of the ecosystem, esports tournament organizers, the streamers, and the viewers. Play2Live is here to solve the main challenges of the esports industry. So users expect a wide range of interaction and personalization options. All participants in the system demand solutions which will be better regulated peer-to-peer relationships, especially commercial ones. Streaming platforms should become service providers and ensure proper functioning of the platform. So this is a key part, right? Streaming platforms should become service providers. If you look at Twitch, if you look at YouTube, that may not necessarily be the case, right? But that's what they're asking to do. In that sense that ensure proper functioning of the platform. So we all understand the problem with YouTube, and the idea of the fact that, you know, your content can get demonetized for seemingly a greater amount of reasons, or there's an algorithm that could be shadow banning or shadow, hiding your content. It's kind of tricky. It's kind of not really public what's actually going on. Twitch has some, is a little bit better, but it's still, okay, how much is saved, right? It only saves a few days worth of your videos. You won't find some of the older videos on Twitch. It auto deletes them after a while. So that's a problem. So users are also frustrated with advertising and try to avoid it in any possible way. It's time for a new solution, allowing users to choose how they receive advertisements. So this is, of course, true. Nobody wants this clutter on their screen and all this other stuff where they got to click through, 10 screens and jump through hoops just to get past advertisements. That's never fun. Streamers expect to start earning money as soon as the registration is complete and wish to have more tools to monetize their streams. So let's improve the monetization situation, and gamers want to be able to influence the scenario of the broadcast and to construct the content on the platform. So the proof's in the pudding. If you look at the YouTube videos, some of the top YouTube videos are videos that are game streams or gaming content. Hell, PewDiePie is the #1 YouTuber in terms of subscribers and in many cases views, and he, at least initially, was a gamer and and he still does a lot of video game content. So we have a solution. So based upon blockchain technology, Play2Live introduces a unique mix of interactive features and monetizing tools, which isn't available with other existing streaming platforms. The further development of Play2Live's Level Up chain is the ultimate end-to-end solution for streamers, gamers, and esports fans, providing them with the key advantages of blockchain technology that meet their needs, such as speed, transparency, security, and availability. So it shows you the diagram here of the ecosystem. So you have the streamer, you have the esports tournament organizer, you have the viewer, and they all are able to interact with each other. And then the Level Up chain is the Play2Live chain. And it goes through the process here. So viewers can watch streams and earn the token by sharing their internet channels via the P2P CDN service easily from any device. Content, so CDN means content delivery network service, right? So that's how they're planning to provide this service, and you can earn these coins by sharing your internet channels. So viewers can influence the stream directly due to the unique system of tags featuring a streamer and a viewer. And the embedded system of content crowdfunding allows users to generate from scratch the content that they want to watch. The tickets sold for these events open up exclusive opportunities for users. Viewers can enable advertising, so we talked about all this. So game publishers can sell games via the platform and interact with streamers. So you can see a theme here. So of course, a lot of these are competitors against each other. Of course, a lot of these projects are, because there is a template here, a model. But the question is, which one of these projects is actually going to follow through and actually create this model? The model is between the streamer, the end user, the game developer, and, you know, service provider. And this kind of process on the market based on, you know, a token, a universal token to buy video game skins and games itself and support your favorite content creators as an example. This kind of ecosystem has a legit use case. Now the question is, again, which one of these projects is going to deliver on this? And you know, if you want to look at that, you can go through teams, which I'm not going to discuss in detail in this specific video. This is a technical kind of video, but you guys can go through that on your own through all of these different projects and find that out on your own. But again, it's really going to be interesting to watch which one of these does move forward. So I do want to thank you guys for watching this video. Remember, we have a website, altcoinbuzz.io, where we have our latest news and updates on everything that's going on. We just put out a video right here, a news update that, you know, BitThumb got hacked recently, or at least they're saying that $30 million of worth of tokens and coins was, you know, lost or stolen. And they have decided that they're going to be able to, you know, replenish or refund the wallets of the people who lost that money. But at the same time, you know, exchanges do need to get their stuff together. And so you can get that kind of news and much more at altcoinbuzz.io, at our website, and our podcast as well, where we get some of the latest projects and some of the people from the latest projects to come in and discuss what's going on. We also have a YouTube channel, of course, where you can like this video and subscribe, please, if you would like, when at your most convenience. Of course, we also have, finally, Altcoin Buzz Twitter. There's an underscore, Altcoin Buzz IO. So at Altcoin Buzz IO, we're almost at 77,000 followers. So keep it up, guys. And finally, Altcoin Buzz Ladies for you guys. So on Altcoin Buzz Ladies, which is abuzz_ladies, which is over 3,000 followers, you guys can really stay tuned on Altcoin Buzz Ladies and what they're doing on their channel as well. So thank you very much, guys, and have a good day.